Excuse me, sir. I'm with the special police.
Yeah?
You know it's quite tense in the world right now. I'm just checking London for spies.
Okay,
I just want to ask you a few questions, if that's all right.
let's do it. Crack on.
If your British pronunciation's okay, you got nothing to worry about. Let me ask you, what do you think of this?
No.
All right, what about this?
Is this a joke?
No, sir. This is an English lesson. First, I need to check your do you questions. We all know that we can reduce them. Sir,
What do you want?
that was good. Do, all right? We can reduce do you questions to dia, ju, or even ja,
Ja.
ja,
Ja.
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 But secondly, I'll ask the question, sir, all right? I need you to repeat this with me a few more times, all right? Do you know this man?
That's you again.
Oh, sorry.
Isn't that the king?
Yeah, do you know him?
Everyone knows him.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh. Never mind. I also need to check your did you questions. How would you say a did you question naturally, sir?
Ah, they can be reduced to did ya.
Wait, okay, repeat that with me. All right, wait 1 second. Did ya?
Did ya?
Did ya?
Did ya?
Did you go out last night?
Did you go out last night?
Okay. Any other variations on that?
Did you?
Yeah, for example?
I don't know. Did you know I'm TikTok famous? I'm an English teacher.
That's it, is it?
That's it. That's it.
Looks like you're forgetting one important thing. We can reduce did you to ja.
Where'd you go on your last holiday?
Nice. I don't get holidays. Where were you last night, sir? Please point to the schwas in that question.
There and there.
We can reduce were you questions to were ya or were you, depending on what the focus is in the question. All right, so where were you last night?
I was fishing in the river.
Can you ask me a were you question?
Were you out late last night?
No, I just always look tired. All right, next one is have you questions. As you and I know, we can reduce have you questions to...
Oh, that's easy. I teach this in my classes. I'm a British English teacher. Of you or of ya? Have you always wanted to be a detective?
No. Have you ever been to Japan?
Been there. I live there, mate.
All right, finally, sir, I'm going to need you to say these place names that only true British people would say correctly. First one, please.
Leicester Square, Green Park, Hyde Park, London Bridge, Holborn.
Sorry, sir, no one says Holborn, only the train announcer woman says Holborn. I'm going to have to arrest you here, sir. I'm just going to go talk to them for a second if you just wait here.
All right.
So the main thing to take away from today's lesson is that British English is very lazy and we use the schwa when a word isn't important. For example, want coffee. That's a sentence we all understand. The extra words, we don't need them. They're not important to understanding. So, I want a coffee. No, you don't need this word and this word. So reduce them to schwas. I want a coffee. Even in a question, want coffee, the missing words are do you want a coffee? But again, we reduce them to schwas. Do you want a coffee? Follow these steps, you can be a British person and not be arrested by the special police for being a spy. All right, let's go. Where'd he go?